Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my Zippo made by Case. It is a rough black synthetic stainless steel. Oh, let's focus. It's a Copperlock. It's a mini Copperlock. Here it is. So it is a Copperlock, which means it does have lockback design. I really love the blade shape on this. You can see it, it'll read Zippo USA. And Zippo, Case is owned by Zippo, so they're both in Bradford, Pennsylvania. So you can see why Case would make a knife that has Zippo on it. Here's the box. Let's try and get a better look of the label. Oh, wow, it focused right away. Yep. So yeah, that's about all I wanted to show you with my new Case or Zippo rough black synthetic Copperlock, mini Copperlock actually. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Zippo videos, knife videos, and possibly some radio and outdoor videos. But it's not the weather hasn't been very good around here, so probably won't get an outdoor video for a while. But hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned.